Hello guys, welcome back. The following presentation will be good. Welcome back to my EAS mini scenario. Today I present to you called Toilet Tom number 2, but not in the United States, Australia edition. Alright, here we go. We'll go to Australia. One more? Nope, that's not right. I know. What the Talking Tom has toilets the second? What? Alright. Meanwhile in Australia, please stand by for broadcast of the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for broadcast of the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for broadcast of the National Emergency Warning System. This is an emergency broadcast. Information about the toilet Tom has been received. The current threat level is critical, meaning toilet Tom is imminent. About 5 minutes ago, there have been many reports of toilet Tom reported in the entire country of Australia, including the city of Perth, Adelaide, Victoria, Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane, and Gold Coast. These toilets are attacking, killing, infecting, and turning into toilet-like chaos over the country of Australia. Due to this situation that's similar to the United States, that Talking Tom, along with Angela, Hank, and Ben, has issued an emergency action notification, and Becca and Ginger and Tom will be issuing a global emergency for all entire country. Is it? All residents of Australia are advised to immediately seek underground shelter immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating air conditioning system. Close fireplace dampers and seal all cracks and doors with the tape and damn towels. Taking important supplies to your shelter, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery powered or hand crank radio to last you and your family for at least a week. Do not approach these friends of Tom is considered too dangerous. They will attack and kill anyone on sight. If you believe you are infected, commit suicide immediately. If you don't, then you will turn into a toilet like chaos. If Tom managed to enter your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes lethal force. Stay tuned to channel for further information that becomes available. Toilet Tom 2 has been reported in the entire country of Australia. Well, that's not good. A week later, This is an emergency broadcast. Information about the all clear has been given. Toilet Tom 2, that causing chaos, including sleeping around the previous mentioned in the city of St. Louis, including around the world, including the United States. In St. Louis, Missouri, the United States has has cleared out of the way and residents may exit their shelters immediately. However, there's massive damage to the to the city, to this country. The National Guard are struggling to rescue people from damaged shelters. If the shelter is destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, to take you to a military base. All broadcast and cable systems are allowed to resume radio programming. Emergency broadcasts will be now handed over to state local officials. This concludes the operation of the emergency alert system. All no programming may now resume. Your government thank you for cooperation during this emergency. Thank you for watching my Australia edition for Toilet Tom 2. See you next time on my next mini scenario.